Wait, say that again?
Think the underdog.
Yeah, look at those fancy
A book with
books.
wheels on it.
Maybe. I don't know where here my why your book is on the wheel.
I bet that's why Santa got you another one, because he knew that one was lost, probably. Kyla, look at that. Is that a book? Can you sing again? Wheels on the bus go round and round.
Mommy, I'm popping the
All through
wheel.
the time. You're popping a wheel. A fire truck's popping a wheelie?
That's funny, Jake.
Mommy, I saw that open it.
Anybody have
Yeah.